Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Max Matrix. I hope you guys are having a great day. So today I'm on Photoshop and I'm here to teach you how to make a thumbnail. If you're new to Photoshop or you're new to YouTube and you just don't know how to make a good thumbnail, today I'm showing you how to do it. I'll show you my previous thumbnails. Hold on. So right here, these aren't that good. I know how to make ones better than the ones on my channel. It's just these are just like quick and slapped together. I never really put much time into it, to be honest. I could do better, but I don't really choose it. But they still bang. Like they're still good fun. Apart from that, that's just a part of the video. That one, I didn't even bother putting on a thumbnail, and it got more views than some of my ones. Sometimes the ones that you don't even. I just realized I've got like tutorial. Oh my. Alright, we're gonna have to make it playing a game video soon, because yeah, I'm about to turn it into a tutorial channel. Anyway, so when you get onto Photoshop, you want to go file new, and you want to, if this is in centimeters or inches, you want to change it to pixels, put it by 1920 to 1080, and then none of the rest of the stuff matters. You just press OK, double tap on that little lock, press OK, so it's unlocked so you can do stuff to it. Alright, so now we got to go into here. Alright, so we're on Google. Now we've got to look for things that we need for our thumbnail. So first, we're going to do a thumbnail for this video, so it's just going to make it easier for me. But let's just say you're doing a game. You'd look up your game, for instance, Forest game. This is the style of thumbnail I'm going to go with. So you choose like a picture of the game. For me, I'm just going to look up so I'm just gonna steal this. I don't ever steal thumbnails, but so let's just say this is your game, alright? So what you want to do is first, I would usually have a background of the game, so I'd look up so let's say there's the forest, would go forest wallpaper, forest game wallpaper, and I'd get something like that, and it would be the background of the image of the thing of the thumbnail. But right, for me, I'm just gonna look up thumbnail background, and we're just gonna get something nice, something like this. This will do. Bam. And we're just gonna make that the background. Oh, I couldn't do that one. Hold on. Right, different one. You could do really anything. I'm just looking around. Alright, so instead I'm just gonna make it myself. So what I'm gonna do is go new layer, right click this, go here. I'm gonna put like that, and that. So it's gonna be like that, and then we're just gonna go ahead and where's the fill? I think it's under this one. Yep. And go to black, bang. On this side, we can go ahead and fill one side. I reckon red will do it. Oh, let's go ahead and find a better red. And then this side, we're just gonna make it fill in white. Bam. So this is my background for my thumbnail. Usually this looks kind of like the Pokemon theme, but you know, this will do it. And then you want to make a new, so let's just say this is the background. So this is that. Alright, just pretend this is that. Alright, and then you want to make a new layer. So you want to, down here's a little thing, the second last one, new layer, file, place, and then you want to go ahead and place that little game image. So we'll go back a bit. Oh, it's not there anymore, but a picture of the game where it's like gameplay, and you want to put it like in the down here, about here, and then you want to double tap on this little grey area here, press OK. Oh, you don't have to do that, we won't even worry about it. Put a stroke on it, make it fairly big, overlay, give it a little overlay. Alright, so there we go, it's pretty good. That stroke's a little too big. I'll do. And then, so this is your gameplay. And then what you want to do is get a new layer. And you want to look up red arrow. PNG. And just grab this one. This one's pretty good. I've already got it, so I'm not going to worry about that. And you also want to get the game's logo. So if it was the forest, you would go forest. Logo PNG. Oh. You'd get that. Alright, but I'm not going to worry about that. For me, I'm just going to type how to make. Alright, we're going to Control T that, make it a little bigger. If you're doing something like this, then you can copy this. And I'm going to keep that white with a stroke. You can pretty much stroke everything, and you can put an overlay on everything. Give it a good. How to make good and then I'm going to make that yellow. And I'm going to control. The reason I'm putting it as yellow is so it for some reason yellow catches people's eyes with a thumbnail. Like if you put some of the words yellow, like it catches more people's eyes. Hit that stroke, make it a little fat, not too fat. Control T, make this a little bigger. Okay, you kind of can't see the G in that, so we're going to use a different font. We're going to use maybe a bold. No, I'm not liking it. Yeah, that looks good. And good. And then you want to type. And then maybe an exclamation mark at the end of that. And then we're going to make that back to white. You only want to make like the caption yellow, like the good word, and then the rest you just put as you usually would. So let's just say you're doing a forest gameplay. You do something like this: gameplay episode 1, or something like that. You wouldn't have to do all this. I'm just adding all this, and you'd put the logo up here somewhere probably, but I don't need to worry about doing that because this is a different thumbnail. We're gonna make this a little more bolder than the others, just so it stands out a little bit. And I think good can get a little bit more stroke, and I think we're good on that one. Alright. And I reckon good could do with a little bit of an outer layer. So overglow, make it white. There we go. Okay, how to make a good thumbnail. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Oh, I almost forgot. We also gotta make a new layer again. Place. You want to go ahead, and where you don't have anything placed, you just put an arrow to the box like that. And we're going to use something called the magic tool eraser. So you right click this and choose magic tool eraser, press OK, and it will remove the white box that has around it. And then we're just going to go ahead and duplicate this arrow and put it on this side. Don't worry, I can get rid of and boom. And I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that little white patch there. And we're going to go ahead and give them both a little overlay of white. Give it a normal. Go big or go home, am I right? Oh, this one, it doesn't really work because that side's blue, but we'll do it for this one as well. Overlay, normal. Make sure this is white. And boom. We've got ourselves a nice overlay. Sometimes it might, for some reason, do something like that. You just move it out of the picture. And yeah, this is pretty much it. This is how you make a pretty good thumbnail. This is just a real beginner thumbnail. I'll probably do a proper good one, good tutorial next time. This one's just a little nice little cut. I'm talking too much. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment down below if you have any issues, and I'll see you next one.